How dogs are trained. It can take a lot of work training a brand new puppy. It is necessary for your sanity and your dog's safety, however. Utilizing solid dog training methods is very important. Consistency and patience are key elements in dog training. Set aside about 20 to 30 minutes each day. This is the amount in which they're most receptive. The time should be between 15 and 30 minutes, any longer and the dog will lose interest. It is essential to have the correct timing for your training sessions. Start by having a shorter training session and add a little more time daily. When the animal appears to lose interest, you will know which duration produces the best results per session. When training your dog, try to avoid reinforcing negative behavior. In basic terms, this means refusing to reward your dog, via attention or treats, for doing any action that you are trying to get them to stop doing. For instance, don't pat your dog on the head if it's jumping up on you. Showing him that you are in control is the first lesson to teach your dog. Your dog must see you as a leader, or they will not follow your commands. Always walk in front of the dog when you go on walks, because this is the position to show leadership. Accidents will happen when a puppy is being potty trained. Clean up any messes that are made immediately, so it doesn't hamper your training efforts. The smell from a pet's feces or urine can stay in the carpet. The puppy may return to that spot if it isn't cleaned quickly. Buy a product specially designed to neutralize odors. You will be less overwhelmed if you follow the tips provided here. Consequently, your home, property, your pet and other people are safer. Using the tips and tricks offered above can make the harrowing task of training your dog a whole lot easier, especially if you are patient and consistent. Don't forget to like our video.